How to change your PIN code on Windows 11. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to exactly change your login PIN code on Windows. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your your laptop settings. Once your settings is open, head over to your account section. And from here, just scroll down and go to sign in options. You will see all of these options like facial recognition, fingerprint, PIN, and security key. So right here, this one is recommended. So click on this drop down and you will see an option to change your PIN. Just click on it. You have to enter your current PIN. So just enter your current PIN right here. Enter your new PIN and confirm your new PIN as well. So once you do this, you can even include letters and symbols if you want, and then you can just click on OK and you're good to go. If you found the video helpful in any way, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.